wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Muhammad Miftah, a second year electrical and electronics engineering student. This point that I'm going to perform today is the board chairman, Abul Himma, and we are fortunate to have him here with us. This point is going to be an interactive one. So when I say Yollo, you say you only live once. Yollo.
You only live once.
Yollo.
You only live once.
I often hear people say you only live once. But the reality is that there is another life and it's eternal. Yollo.
You only live once.
It's a one-life living. This is just the trailer. The movie will be played in heaven. Be mindful of your deeds. This life is so deceiving. Daily we die. Time is so fleeting. This dunya is a sitting for the movement. Don't live it blindly. Your life should be guided by Allah's ruling. Jannah or Jahannam is your decision. Indeed, it's only one life living. Indeed, it's only one life here. The next be eternal. Shall it be some real vice for them? The way you live now determines the next. Strive hard for good results. You are in here for a test. Yollo. Yollo. Yeah, I'm not saying for chill, but the real chill is there for paradise. It's a garden full of roses, beautiful studies, and wine. The studies here they do, but those there they stimulate appetite. Life there is sweet, wow, like honey. You get enter pet, you never go feel lonely. You only live once, so you will live on well. Fill your book with good deeds and save yourself from hell. Live happily, but do not cross the line. If you only one life, you will leave a great legacy behind. Yollo. You will leave a great legacy behind. You will leave a great legacy behind. Thank you.